and thus it is engraved and ordained on the heavenly tablets, that they should observe the Sabbath with all its law and all its ordinance every year throughout all the years of the world. Book of Jubilees 50-13. The chosen frequency, 432 Hz. For this decree, we anchor the vibration in 432 Hz. This is widely regarded as a foundational frequency, the harmonic resonance of nature and the universe itself. Because this verse speaks of an ordained law established before the world began, 432 Hz serves as the perfect sonic bridge. It aligns our personal energy with the eternal, unchanging frequency of the heavenly tablets, stripping away the dissonance of artificial time and modern anxiety to return us to a state of natural, divine order. Historical context. When the Book of Jubilees was written, likely during the 2nd century BCE, it served to reassert the sanctity and strict observance of the Sabbath against the pressures of Hellenization. By framing the Sabbath as engraved on the heavenly tablets, the author emphasizes that this commandment is not merely a human or local tradition, but an eternal, cosmic law decreed by the Creator before the foundation of the world. It established the Sabbath as the definitive marker of the identity and commitment of the covenant people, ensuring that the rhythm of rest and holiness was preserved despite surrounding cultural shifts. Modern significance. In our contemporary world, where the pace of life is often relentless and driven by constant productivity and digital connectivity, this verse carries profound weight. It reminds us that rest is not a sign of weakness or unproductivity, but a divine mandate for human preservation. The heavenly tablets signify that the principle of the Sabbath remains an immutable truth of existence. It is a necessary counterbalance to the chaos of modern living, acting as an anchor that prevents us from losing our spiritual focus and physical health in the machinery of daily labor. Daily application. To apply this mandate today, cultivate a deliberate shift in your mindset when entering your time of rest. Treat your Sabbath not as time off from work, but as a time on for spiritual alignment. Create a sacred boundary, physically or digitally unplug from the demands of your career, business, or routine tasks. This act of cessation honors the ordinance mentioned in the text. Intentional presence. Dedicate this time to activities that nourish your soul and strengthen your connection to the divine. Whether through meditation, study, or quiet reflection, prioritize depth over distraction. The eternal rhythm. Recognize that the Sabbath is a recurring frequency. By observing it consistently, you align your personal timeline with a higher order, transforming a day of rest into an enduring foundation for your life throughout the coming years. Find this and other healing frequencies, plus the hidden text, file a motion in the heavenly courts, and check out the archives at spiritualtribunal.life. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and check the comments for free resources.